I'm going to make these into cuter shorts. So I'm going to take it at the crotch and fold the pants in half so that they are very, very even on both sides for when I cut this. I'm going to fold up the bottom of the hem of the pants just as a nice straight line. I'm going to put a pin where the bottom of the pocket is so I don't accidentally cut it off or open. And then I have it turned at an angle and I'm cutting that because it just creates a more flattering line on the thigh. And then after that, I'm going to take one of the legs of the pants and cut the whole thing open. On the shorts, I'm going to fold the bottom in half and put that to the side. Now the pants I cut open, I'm going to fold them in half and then fold them in half the other direction to end up with a bit of a square shape. And I'm going to cut a circle on where those lines are. So measure the bottom of the shorts, and I'm going to create a circle shape, or I guess a quarter of a circle, across the pants that I folded twice. And just try to, that length of the bottom of the shorts, make that a circle. I want 4 inches down, so using my roller, 4 inches down from that circle, I'm going to mark the whole way across. And then I'm going to cut all of that out. And I don't need the inside of that circle, I just need this outside. We're creating like a circle ruffle on the bottom of the shorts. So then we'll cut out that top part. Now I'm going to repeat this on the other leg. Again, cut it open, fold it in half inside out, fold it in half again, and this time I'm just going to use the other one as a pattern and cut out a second one. Now I'm going to line those up across the bottom of the shorts. It won't be exact, but it'll be close. This one's about 1 inch too long once I get it lined up, so I'm going to cut off that extra inch and sew it shut. And then with right sides together, I want to sew the smaller part of the circle to the bottom of the shorts. And there they are attached. Iron it really, really well and sew a rolled hem across the bottom. I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure you subscribe for more.